Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another phone theme, and this one is obviously a really cute and free phone theme. I do have two wallpapers that I will be showing you guys that I found that are so cute, and then I will show you guys a theme that goes with both of the wallpapers. And everything is absolutely free. The wallpapers, you do have to message me on Snapchat or Instagram. I will definitely give you guys the wallpaper so you guys could have it on your phone as well. I really love all of the Sanrio Hello Kitty characters, such as like Kawaii, the little twin stars, My Melody, Hello Kitty, obviously. So this wallpaper definitely includes a character as well, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys get inspired to make your phone cute as well. So enough rambling now, let's just get into this video. So starting off, this is the theme that I will be using from Samsung Themes. This is the name, and that is the creator right there, and this is a quick preview of how it looks like. So this is the theme I will apply now, and this is how it looks like. So it's so gorgeous. It's full of hearts and pink everywhere, so it's perfect for this wallpaper that I will be showing you guys. At the bottom here, the icons are pink with like little hearts, and when I swipe left and right, you can see there's a little tiny heart, and I love that. And then we have this background with like a big heart, and then a wave of little hearts, and then two little hearts up there, and then all the icons are pink like I said, and I really enjoy this theme. And when I swipe down, this is just like an all-out pink color. Then I swipe up, and you can see the folders all turn different shades of pink. And then here's how the other icons look like, just white with pink. Then the calculator is pink as well with white and light pink. And the calendar looks like this. It's just like a light pink color with pink. And then the clock is pretty standard, just pink, a pink heart at the bottom as well. For the phone call, it looks like this, just the pink wave hearts at the bottom, and then just all pink. And I think this is really cute. I think the messages is my favorite part. I love the background with like a bunch of hearts. You can see them very light, but I really like that. And then the icon turns into a big heart right there. It's just pink background for the text message. And then for the keyboard, it looks like this. It's just white with pastel yellow and like a shade of pink. Super cute, very fitting for this theme, and I feel like it just goes very well together. And finally, for the lock screen, this is the image. It's just the same wave of hearts at the bottom, and then just like pink at the top with like the pink letters right there and the white numbers. So this is the really cute lock screen image that I will be using, and it's just a very simple image with like pink and dots and clouds, and it's like a little garden with a bunch of flowers on clouds, and I really thought that was super cute. And this will be my lock screen image like I said, so we're just going to apply that. And this is the preview of how it will look. I really enjoy it, and there we go. This is how the image looks like. It's so pretty and so girly. I love it. Now for the super exciting image that I will be using for my actual home screen wallpaper is this beautiful cinnamon roll image with like the BFF and they're like sharing a heart lollipop on like clouds with a bunch of hearts everywhere, a rainbow in the background, and it's just super colorful and vibrant, and this has to be one of my favorite images. I love it. And that is the preview of how this wallpaper will look like with this cute theme. And this is how it actually looks like on my home screen. I am in love. Look at how adorable these BFFs look. It's so colorful, and those are my favorite type of images to have on my phone. And I think it looks wonderful with this pink hearts theme. Once again, if you would like this wallpaper image, make sure to send me a message on Instagram, and I will definitely send this adorable picture to you. Now for this second theme, this is how the wallpaper image looks like. Oh my gosh, like this can't get any more perfect. I stinking love this. So this is a cinnamon roll BFF picture again with like both of the cinnamon roll characters on a carousel, and there's like little animals, a bunny, a bird, and they're like on top of the carousel, and there you can see a cloud with like a castle, and it's super pink pastel color, and at the very top there's also a rainbow. Now I will be setting this as my wallpaper. Here is the beautiful preview. I can't get enough of this. I love it. And here is how it looks like on my phone. I think it's super cute, and it's definitely eye-catching, so it makes me really, really happy to see it. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and really liked these wallpapers. If you guys did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. I love making these videos, and I will definitely continue to make more of these. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!